started on the
I don't know
second
where I was
verse.
just in the second verse.
I'm like, what are you doing? So this next song is from Jamaica. I'm from Zimbabwe. But people, when they see you with dreadlocks, they think you're from Jamaica.
Yeah.
So now at times they say, yes, I'm from Jamaica. But now there's a danger. There's a guy that from Zimbabwe. He went to university in the States.
Long story.
Okay, I'll keep it short. But people would say Jamaica, Jamaica, and he ended up saying yes. So people now thought he was from Jamaica. Such that when now his father passed away, people looking for him now, they could not find him. Now it's only, they know from Jamaica. So like I'm starting to get to that now that people will know me as Taffy from Jamaica. So I'm like, okay, well.
I have to tell the truth.
Yes, exactly.
Yes, because you get into trouble.
It's easier to remember.
Yes, exactly. Cherry O'Neill.
Yeah.
I'm going to sing Tatenda, and Tatenda is thank you and Shona, so Tatenda. And I wanted to say that we just kind of finished doing an island tour in January and February, and now we're going to be getting to go back to Zimbabwe. So we're going back at the end of the month, and we're very excited about that. Not permanently, we'll be back.
Oh,
Yes. We'll be back in May. But yes, first time in 3 years that Takatsua hasn't been home, and I have to go meet my family. So it's kind of exciting times. Yes.
Also, there was a slight mix-up. So here they what they call like Lake Instrument Awards. So I got an award on that. But back home now, they just heard that it's an award, so they say it's an Oscar. So the Oscar now they say it comes with a lot of money. So I've been messages now that.
Oh, last night Tobacco won the Black History Month Award in Victoria. So
Because I'm in trouble.
the misunderstanding
It comes with $1 million.
So
I'm in serious trouble.
But we'll cross that bridge.
It's Brian. Mike. Mike, okay. I can't see. Oh, I see.
Let's all say it. It's part of my plan. Thank you for having me. Oh, yeah, after this song. Nyamatsatsi?
Yes, it's now in the Shona language. So Nyamatsatsi is the morning star. So this song was taught to me by my brothers when we would be doing work in the fields. So they were in secondary school and I was still in primary school. So yearly there would be competitions, choir competitions, which were like a hit. So this our secondary school where my elder siblings were involved now in the competition in this song. So they did so well, they collected everything. But now the trick was that the choir master made them even sing it at home with everyone who is at home. So it ended up like not being like a community song, like so that everyone knew about it. So yes, it helped.
The family choir, while working in the field. You know?
So you had to sing it like so well. So it's the morning star. It's like comparing now your loved one to the morning star, because really there isn't much that you can promise your loved one. And also at times the morning star, it's not seen in very like romantic situations like the song now. It's like because you have to get up in the morning and go to the fields.
Yeah, it's
So you are watching it, yes, it's good, but it's not that good. So you have to sing now to make it better, to make your miserable situation better. So yeah.
And this is my morning story, my Nyamatsatsi right here. And yes.
Compliments to get together.
And the song is sung in Shona like 2007. It means it's like when the sun comes, the words are in Shona, but it's saying, when the sun comes over the mountain, your smile, it lights up my day, and the birds start to sing, and you know, it's love.